Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So let's jump into the best deals at Dollar General this week, running from March 22nd through March 28th. From laundry savings to spring refresh deals, we've got a hot $5 off $30 P&G coupon, perfect for stocking up on Gain, Tide, Bounce, and more. Plus a buy one, get one 50% off on Comfort Bay towels and rugs to freshen up your space. And don't miss the pet deals and cleaning bundles that'll help you prep for spring without blowing your budget. Clip those digital coupons, grab your favorites, and let's break down the easiest ways to save big this week. First, earn 35-cent cash back on Dow antibacterial hand foaming soap, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and keeping those high traffic areas clean. And don't skip the home organization aisle, because you can also earn 50 cents cash back on command hooks. These are great for hanging decor, organizing your space, or adding storage without damaging your wall. 2 quick clips, 2 easy cashbacks, and a simple way to save on everyday essentials. Now here's one of the biggest saving opportunities this week. Save $10 when you spend $30 on select P&G products like Always, Crest, Bounty, and Dawn. These are everyday essentials we all buy, so this is the perfect time to stock up and let that instant $10 savings work for you. And while you're in the store, don't forget the laundry aisle, because if Gain is your thing, it's 4 for $12. Mix and match your favorite scents and build your stockpile for way less. Now here are 2 easy savings you can grab this week. First up, dinner just got cheaper. Buy 1 DiGiorno stuffed crust or rising crust pizza and get a PepsiCo 2-liter for free. Perfect for a quick meal night without spending extra cash. And don't forget the household aisle again, because you can also save $3 when you spend $15 on Snuggle, Purex, Persil, Soft Scrub, or Dow products. Mix and match your favorites to hit that $15 mark and watch the savings come off instantly. Next up are 2 easy savings you can grab on the Dove aisle this week. Save $2 on select Dove Men Plus Care body wash or the 4-count bar soap. These are great everyday essentials, so this is the perfect time to restock. And if you love Degree, you can also save $4 when you buy any 2-degree body heat activated ultra clear antiperspirant sticks or dry sprays. Mix and match your favorites and let that instant savings kick in at checkout. 2 simple deals, 1 quick trip, and an easy way to stay stocked up on the products you use every day. Now for you snack lovers, you can earn $1.50 cash back on Planters Trail Mix. Perfect for work, road trips, or tossing in your bag for a quick bite. And while you're in the store, head to the oral care aisle, because you can save $3 on 2 Colgate Total Optic White Stain Fighter, Max Fresh, or Sensitive toothpaste. Mix and match your favorites and let that instant savings hit at checkout. 2 simple deals, 1 quick trip, and an easy way to save on snacks and essentials you use every day. All right, y'all, that brings us to our final deal of the week. Save $4 when you spend $14 on any Mountain Dew packs, including 2 liters, 20-ounce bottles, 8 packs, and more. If your household goes through sodas fast or you're stocking up for the weekend, this is an easy way to stretch your dollars. And that wraps up all the best Dollar General savings you can grab right now. From laundry deals and personal care coupons to snacks, home essentials, and even those quick dinner shortcuts, this week is packed with ways to save without overthinking it. Remember to clip all your digital coupons before you head to the store, double check your totals at the register, and stack those instant savings whenever you can. These little deals add up fast, especially when you're shopping smart across multiple categories. Whether you're stocking up the pantry, refreshing your home, grabbing pet essentials, or just keeping your household running smoothly, Dollar General has plenty of ways to help you stay on budget. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hype up the video. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.